Hey, I'm Colin. I'm a computer science student at Princeton, and despite spending countless hours on LeetCode prepping for software engineering job interviews, I still struggled thinking aloud when it came time for the technical round. And that made me realize that vocalizing your thought and nailing behavioral questions is actually a huge part of the technical interview that LeetCode simply doesn't prepare you for. So I decided to build LeetDuck, a Chrome extension that integrates directly into LeetCode and turns your daily practice into more realistic interview prep. Let's jump into a practice interview with LeetDuck.
Tell me about a time you dealt with conflict on a team.
I dealt with conflict at my last hackathon where we couldn't decide on which problem to choose, but ultimately we weighed the pros and cons, chose the best idea that we had, and ended up winning the hackathon. So it's going to think for a little bit and then respond.
Sounds like a smart way to resolve it, and great results. Excellent. Now let's focus on the code.
It has context to everything in your LeetCode page, including the description, hints, any test results that you run, and submissions, and obviously your code. So let's add a bug and see if it can pick up on that. What do you think of my code, LeetDuck?
The if condition checks if target is in map, but it should check for the complement instead. Also, map is a built-in name. Better to use a different variable name.
Okay, so that's some good feedback. Let's apply those changes. Let's run and submit our code. And as you can see, LeetDuck picked up that I ran and submit my code.
What's your time space complexity? And did you consider...
My time and space complexity is ON for both. Sorry I cut you off at the end. What were you saying? So it asks you a follow-up question after about its time and space complexity.
ON time space is optimal. Hash map handles worst case average O1 lookups fine here. Handles duplicates by overriding indices. Correct per constraints. Great job.
Now I'm going to show you the interview review feature. While our interviews is being graded, we can step through our entire technical interview. And as lines are added, the lines are highlighted in green. And the submissions and runs are picked up, as you can see. Let's look at our feedback. Looks like our coding and behavioral both did well, but our behavioral still needs some work. Finally, in the settings, we can actually add custom behavioral questions, like what's your favorite NBA player? Or we can customize interviewers' focus area.
LeetDuck is already making me feel more confident preparing for technical rounds, and I hope you'll give it a try. Let me know what you think.